What's up, guys? Welcome back. We are playing with some makeup today. We are doing another Boxycharm unboxing. We have the St. Patrick's Day box this month, so I'm gonna be trying out all the products in this box on my face here on camera, telling you my thoughts and letting you know what the deal is. So I'm not gonna drag this intro out too much. We are gonna hop right in, play with some makeup, chat, and that's all. And that'll be it. This was gifted to me. It is gifted to me every month. I am so happy to be working with Boxycharm, and I am so happy every time it shows up on my doorstep because I never know what I'm gonna get. So let's jump right in. Okay, so this is what's in the box this month. The card is obviously lucky for St. Patrick's Day. So I am going to start with this bad boy because this is a lip oil and I love to apply these before I do the rest of my makeup. So I already have my face on. I used the new NARS Tinted Moisturizer in the shade 1.2 Gotland. Love this stuff. And then for concealer, I just used the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin in the shade 2.3 and the Ilia bronzer in the shade Drawn In. So that's what's on my face right now. I am going to apply this lip oil that I've actually been using for a few days now. It's so good. It's from the brand, I don't know if it's KAB or CAB, but it's three girls, Kim, Ariana, and Brielle. So I think it might be KAB Cosmetics. But anyway, it's a blue raspberry lip oil. This is what it looks like. And I have been loving this. First of all, I love how big it is. I love these like jumbo applicators. It applies clear. So I have been loving this. It smells like coconuts and it just feels so nice and hydrating on the lips. Non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. So I have the blue one, obviously. I guess there are different ones. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. And I love it. It feels really nice. It smells really good. So definitely recommend that. We are gonna jump into the eyes because I do have an eyeshadow palette and a mascara. So we are gonna start with the eyeshadow palette. This is the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. Some purples and pinks, which don't really go with my vibe right now, but that's okay. We are gonna just do something simple. Maybe I'll stay more in like these sort of like brown neutral shades, but I'm just gonna speed through this so that I can test out the formula, and then I'll be right back to give you my thoughts. Okay, so I'm all done using the Lime Crime palette. I really like it. I love how this quick little look turned out. I don't usually gravitate toward like pinks and purples, and this is definitely not like a St. Patrick's Day vibe in my opinion, but these blended like a freaking dream. It took me like 2 seconds to do this eye look. Not that it's anything like special or hard, but this was really nice. I particularly loved the shade Rapture and Heavenly. I don't see myself using shades like that, but all of these other shades I would definitely use again. So this is a brush cleaner, and this is the brand Lavish, which I've never heard of before. It is the wet brush cleaning system. I did try this the other day. It was okay. I prefer the Beauty Blender brush cleaner. Beauty Blender has a brush cleaner like this that's really, really good. This didn't foam up like Some of my other brush cleaners might. This wasn't my favorite thing in the world. Some of my brushes felt a little stiff at first once they dried. It did do the trick, but I felt like it took a little longer, and it did have this little, it's actually still on my bathroom sink, but I'll insert a clip of me using it here. There was like a little plastic thing that comes with it that you can actually like stick to the side of your sink to sort of, what is it called? A textured silicone pad. So that goes onto the side of the sink and you kind of like scrub your brush against that, which is nice. I will use it again just because it's always good to have brush cleaners around, but it wasn't my favorite thing in the world. Didn't love it, didn't hate it. Just like that, we only have 2 more items in the box, and this I've used before. This is the Too Faced Damn Girl 24-hour mascara. I have purchased this in the past. I do like it, so I'm gonna throw this on. Okay, so this is what my lashes look like. Very nice. Like I said, no surprise. I will continue to use it. I also just realized that I haven't been giving you guys the prices. So, for the hydrating lip oil that I started with, this retails for $20. The Lime Crime eyeshadow palette retails for $38. And then this wet brush cleaner retails for $15. So, with that being said, we only have one more item in the box. So it's a setting spray. So I'm gonna put some something on my lips, and I'll be right back. We'll set my face and we will be done. In case you guys are curious, I used the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Suede Shoes. I can't talk today, so I need to slow down. And then I used this Nude Sticks lip glaze in the shade Nude 02. So I am going to go ahead and grab the last item in the box. This is from the brand Maven Beauty, and it is the Rosewater setting spray. It says, set your intentions and your makeup in this aura lifting, antioxidant packed Rosewater setting spray mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. So this is the box looks like, very cute. Oh, I love this packaging. That's so pretty. This retails for $22. Am I supposed to shake it? Shake well before use. Ooh. That feels so nice and cold. I feel like it's sinking right into my skin. That feels so good. Roses are said to carry the highest vibrational frequencies of any known natural substance on the planet. So if you want to raise your vibrations, just get some rosewater spray, bro. Actually, I really like this though. I will definitely continue to use it. It smells really nice. Obviously, it's got a little rosy scent to it, but it's not overwhelming. It sunk right into my skin. My skin looks really good. I actually didn't even apply highlight. My skin looks pretty good. Nice and glowy. And it definitely feels like this locked in my makeup as well, but I don't feel like tight or dry or anything like that, but it really just sunk right in. We have reached the end of the video already. So the total for this month's box was $121, and you pay a fraction of that for the box every month. So this is a no-brainer. I was actually super happy with all of the products this month, aside from the wet brush cleaner. Like I said, I don't hate it, but I just have brush cleaners that I prefer. But the eyeshadow palette, amazing. The mascara, I love. Like I said, I used before. The Rosewater setting spray was really nice. My skin feels and looks really good. It like locked everything in, melted it all together. The lip oil I'm obsessed with. I love it so much. I know last month I had a lip oil that I loved and I continued to use as well. I'm still using it. It was that apple one. So I am loving all of the lip oils and like the lip masks. They're so good. I'm obsessed with like a good juicy lip. So this was probably my favorite thing in the box, but I'm really happy with the box this month. I definitely encourage you guys to check it out. If you're looking to take the guesswork out of beauty, skincare, this really is a great way to just try new things every month and then hopefully find things that will become your new favorites. Like the lip oil is definitely a current favorite of mine. I've been using it every single day. I like to try these products out for you guys on camera as well so that you can see how I'm applying them and how they work, and I can give you all the deets there. So I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and playing with some makeup. Next month will be the April box. Next month will be my birthday, April 21st. I'll be turning 30. I'll be 30. My camera just overheated, which is a sign telling me to shut up and wrap up this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in my next vid. Bye.